Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a bag from Etsy. This is from Jibbyroo Sews, and she's in England. So how cool is that? I will link the shop below so you guys can check her out as well. And I don't even remember exactly what I got, but I know it's good. So are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my gosh, I love how she has everything individually wrapped. Look at this. We have a party here, guys. Goodness gracious, if this was a present for someone, you could totally just not even have to worry about wrapping it. It's already wrapped. And let's open this first because this has me intrigued. I know what the others are, and I am super excited. And I have to say that I'm not sure she was charging enough for her stuff. I haven't seen them yet, but I know that what I paid for them was way less than what I expected to pay for them. Oh my goodness. I'm just opening it. I'm just ripping it up. She has them taped in here, just very secure. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These were so cute. She has a little note for me in here and some tea. I'm not kidding. These knitters are so, so kind. Aw, and that says thank you. Hello, thank you for your purchase. Have a lovely week. Kind regards, Francesca and Michelle. And this is a little progress marker and it says thank you. Jibbyroo Sews a hop, skip, and jump away. And this is, or Jibby, sorry, that's a J. JibbyrooSews.etsy.com, and I will try to remember to link that below. If I forget for some reason, please let me know. And ooh, this is a spiced apple tea. I've not ever had Taylor's, but it looks very fancy. Royal Botanic Gardens. For the perfect cup, use 1 tea bag per person, pour over freshly boiled water, and infuse for at least 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and tear it open just because I want to smell it, and I'm going to drink it soon. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, it's so yummy. And here it is, just a little tea bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells delicious. I am excited about that. So there is that. And these, my dear friends, are stitch markers. Kind of, I mean, she boxed everything up so well and wrapped it all so well. I almost feel bad digging in like I do. But what else are you supposed to do, right? I need to sharpen my scissors so badly. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So it's a kitty cat that reminds me of my kitty cats. And she has it so it has a little stitch marker. It has the round stitch marker, but then it also has a lobster clasp so you can make it into a progress keeper if you want. Oh my goodness. And some of you guys were asking what a stitch marker is. A stitch marker is just a placeholder in your knitting so that you know like the beginning of a row, or you might put one after every 20 stitches or after a cabling or before a cabling, so you'll know that it's just kind of a cue to you to do something different or to start counting differently. So I have that one. And I have another one. Now I have 2 boy kitty cats and they both look like this, so we're close to that. So I have 2 of those. So funny. I have something on the stove for dinner and I may need to go and get that real quick and pause you guys. Oh, okay, fell out. Oh my gosh, it's a little pumpkin, a jack-o'-lantern. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. And it has the same stitch marker and progress keeper. And so a progress keeper, you just kind of clip on to, like, let's say I started knitting something today, I'd put the progress marker in, and then I can see how far I've gotten in another day or a week or even a month or however long you want to do it. It will just keep track of your progress. You can use it that way. And then I know that that's how I use them. There are other people that use them different ways, so, but that's what I like them for. Oh no, this one looks like it may not have made the mail, but that's okay, I have glue. So this is a little mouse, and look, it's a brown mouse with a little pink tail and a little pink nose, and it has little ears, and just one of the little ears didn't make it, but that's okay. I can fix that. So cute. So cute. He has to go in the repair pile. Again, really, seriously, no big deal. Oh my goodness. A little penguin. Isn't that adorable? I can even see some fingerprints in it, which I love. So cute. And they're fairly large. I mean, they're not small little easy to lose things. These are nice and substantial. Oops, except for you can't cut through the metal, which I wouldn't want to anyway, but oh my gosh, look at that Christmas tree. So cute. Oh, and I pulled this right off. So this is the same. It has the little progress keeper and stitch marker, and I just twisted that off when I was taking it off. There we go. So super cute. I love it. I love all the little ornaments on the tree. Oh, this is a Rudolph. And I know he's gonna be cute. She had so many to choose from. Look how cute that is. Rudolph, he has a pretty smile. He's just so cute. And finally, I think this one might be a sheep if I remember what I ordered. Oh yes, I'm seeing some black and white. He says, let me out, I need to breathe, I need to breathe. Oh my gosh, look how cute he is. Oh, he is adorable. Oh my gosh, he's one of my favorites. They're all so favorite-y. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. He's so cute. Okay, so that is all of the little stitch markers. I'm going to put them here, and I will be right back. All right, so I'm back, and these are just so cute. I'm going to move them up here, but I need to not lose the ear of that little mouse. Okay, so project bags. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So this one is kind of an Eastery theme. Well, it's not kind of, it is very much an Eastery theme. Do you see how cute this is? Oh. But it was so stinking cute, I had to get it. I'm not going to keep this ribbon. I'm telling myself no. I don't need to hoard everything. But okay, look at the little tassel. And then there is the nice zipper. And it is nicely lined. It even has the Jibbyroo sews. And it's like all lined and quilted and sewn. I mean, this is really nice. And it's got kind of a flat bottom. Look how nice this is. Now I need to I need to stop because I am going to try my hand at making some some project bags my own self, because I just wanted to, because I do spend a lot of money on the project bags, and I wasn't going to do project bags. They're fine in my Ziploc bags and in my little craftsy bags. They're fine. But the problem is that you spend so much money on the yarn and you're taking such care of your thing that you want it in a nice bag. So I don't know. I thought that this one was really cute. I know it's Eastery, but I just couldn't resist it. And I'm not kidding. Her prices were so inexpensive. So check her out. Oh my goodness. And I'm kind of partial to the drawstring for most bags, but I do like a zipper bag. But the bags that I'm going to hopefully be making are drawstring bags. These are super nice. Oh my gosh, and it has the little flat bottom and has, it's like pictures on the wall of Santa's house. There's Santa, Mrs. Claus, Dancy, Bob, Vicky, Prancy. Here's a little elf. It doesn't have a name. We'll call her Tammy. Rudy, Elfina, Elphys, Cupie. Just super cute. I thought this was adorable fabric and I just wanted to try it. And look at the lining. It's like a red lining. Now I know my bags are going to really stink comparatively, but oh my gosh. Jibbyroo sews. These are so cute. And I thought it might be fun to have a Christmas bag to put a Christmas project in. I don't know. I was going to try to stay away from the holidays, but I get carried away. And when I find something on Etsy that I like, I go and I look at their shop to see if there's anything else, because, you know, you can save shipping if you buy more than one thing. Oh my gosh, look at this project bag. It's cupcakes, beautiful pink. Oh my gosh. And look at the ribbon drawstring. The inside is a light pink, and of course she has her little name. That's really cool. And then it has the nice drawstrings. I just love, I think that drawstring bags are my favorite. I haven't used enough bags to know exactly, but that's what the Craftsy bags are, and that's what I've been kind of using the most of so far. And I don't know, I think I like the drawstring, but we'll see. It's nice to have a zippered bag when you're taking it with you or if you're on the go or something. And this one has a nice little D-ring, and then it has the bears doing different sewing things. Oh my gosh. And these bags are all quilted. The zipper bags are quilted. The drawstring bags aren't quilted. They're but they are layered, so, or lined, so it has, they might have, I bet it has some interfacing or something in the middle. I don't know enough about bags yet to know exactly what I'm talking about. I just know I had to buy some interfacing to go with my bags. Look at these cute little tassels. I didn't even think of anything like that. Oh, I guess I don't need to because I'm not doing a zipper. But the zippers are very nice. I mean, you can tell she's taken some time to do these, and she's, in my opinion, she's a seamstress. I mean, she's been doing this stuff. She knows what she's doing. And one more. And this one is a beautiful color of mint green. It's a zipper bag. It has the D-ring, homemade jam, antiques for sale, flowers. It's like a farmer's market or a market, an outdoor market maybe. Oh my gosh, and here she is on a bike with flowers in her basket. Isn't that cute? This one says fresh fruit. I love the homemade jam. There's the fresh fruit. There's a little girl smelling some flowers. Oh, and here's vintage sewing. Oh my gosh. So this has a beautiful pink zipper and lining. Now, I think I did that. I opened it funny. There we go. Is this pink or red? I don't know. This is red. I don't know. It could be a red lining. It doesn't matter. It matches whatever it is. It's my eyesight. I can't, for some reason, like if it's red or pink, sometimes I can't distinguish. If it's black or navy, I can't distinguish. I don't know. Sometimes my eyes are just funny. So, I mean, I'm not colorblind or anything. I'm just weird. But this is everything I got from Jibbyroo Sews, and I hope that you guys check her out. And if you do, put in the notes that TT.Scraps sent you, because I am excited and I'm happy to help these shops. And I just like them to know that you guys, you know, you pay attention and that there's stuff that you guys order because somebody else ordered it. And I do that same thing when I learn it from somebody else. I also tell them that whoever sent me, that way they know. It's just fun and it's easy, quick, cheap advertisement, and I love to share the wealth, especially when it's such a beautiful project or product. So these are so cute. Even him with a little one ear looks cute, but I'll fix him. All right, so that's what I got. Thanks guys for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.